Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Today's video is how to replace a number plate lamp bulb on a Renault Trafic Business 2016 plate. Right, so if you let number plate lights go on here, it's obviously an MOT failure if your number plate isn't correctly illuminated. And number plate lamps, no matter what vehicle you've got, they're the worst design ever because they are always going to inherently get wet with moisture from road spray, from pressure washing, from cleaning. So the best advice to get these out is to get a blunt object like a very small flathead screwdriver and gently pry beside the black edge, which is the entire sealed surround of the actual number plate light unit, and then withdraw it. It will hang on its wiring loom like so. It's on a connector that you can release if you wish to do so. They are a nightmare, and you will need a pair of long nose pliers to gently squeeze it together to get it off. And then when you come to remove the actual lens, you need to go in the side here, apply a little bit of pressure, and you should be able to remove the lens in one piece. Give that a clean in some warm water and some soap, bit of bleach, get all the mould and mildew out of them because they always go green and horrible. The lamp is in here, and you can see there's a little bit of corrosion there on the lamp holder. Pop that out by putting a screwdriver in there and pushing it out gently. Don't do it when you've got your lighting circuit switched on because you'll short it out and you'll blow a fuse. And then they take a generic capsule lamp. I think there are 12, there you go, 12 volt 5 watt. Bought boxes of these years ago. They're very handy, same as getting arcade machines. And just clean the contacts off with an emery board or a nail file if you wish to be a bit more feminine about it. They're just emery boards, very fine sandpaper. Give the contacts a clean. You can also spray them with a bit of light misting of WD-40 once you've got the lamp in place, and that will help give it a bit of moisture protection. And then once you've done that, reinstate your lens cover, and then if you wish to do so, give this lamp housing a bit of a clean, and then push it back up inside the number plate surround, ensuring it's firmly put in there and it's not going to fall out and dangle when you're driving. And that should get your number plate lamp back up and working. I hope the video helps. Share it with your friends if they've got the same vehicle, Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Trafic. I believe they're all the same chassis configuration for European vans. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow, and press the bell icon for notifications on new videos when they're published. Thank you for watching AW Services.